Okay, y'all. So a little hack that I did. This is the cup turner. One of them, the small, next to the smallest one, with like the little holes that you can normally push out. Got tired of trying to find one that was affordable, reasonable for the pen turner. So this right here is what they call a noodle booster from Dollar Tree. It's only $1. They're either over by the summertime stuff, like the regular long pool noodles, or like the water guns. But these are called a noodle booster. They're only $1. Um, if you've seen like a previous video of mine, I even use these when I do my rolling trays. I use these as a stand to spray my rolling trays. So innovative, cheap, fast, very simple. So as you can see, this is one of the cup turner PVC pipes. This is one that came off one of the cup turners I purchased off of Amazon. I know y'all see that. I'm gonna get to that. I got you. Don't worry about it, boo. I got you. So with this, this is the part that will go inside the terminal. You twist the little screw thingy or whatever, and your pins are here. So, bam. What I did, Doyle, insert. I'm gonna show you what I did. This is what's this? AdTech High Pro glue gun. Very easy, y'all. Very. But those of y'all that are starting out doing pens and you wanna not spend too much money getting started, because I know what it's like, you know, starting out, it gets to be very expensive. So, Doyle glue gun. It's not enough. Bam, got it in my hand. And be extra careful, y'all, when doing this. So, Doyle glue gun. And what I do, I leave enough on the end, a little tip on the end, and I'll show you why in just a second. So, we're going to go Doyle. Glue. Just enough. Don't forget, don't put any at the very tip. And then we're going to go stick it down. You want it to be a little more secure. And go on the edges. Put a little more glue. Hope this one stays too. So push down gently. So for those of y'all that are wondering about the tip, why leave this out? So leave it out, hold it, have my pen on, I'm able to pull it off. So this serves as a grip for me to be able to pull my pen off. This insert is a straw topper, no, silicone straw topper. The white stuff is spray paint. So I use these to go inside like so. Okay, and I'll do a tutorial. If y'all want a tutorial on this, just let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll do a tutorial. So this is the same one that was removed. Back on. Voila. So it's very helpful. I'm telling you, it's very helpful. Very, very helpful. So this is my little invention. money saving tip for us pen makers. And it's lightweight too. So if you have like one of those little separate you have one of those little separate cup turners from Amazon, or if you have like one that's on the end where this could fit and not be in the way, you know, as it turns, you should be okay. But I think I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can put at least 10 pins on here and still have space enough to when it's turning I can work. Put my epoxy on. Just showing y'all no epoxy on my hand. But just, you know, well, when it's turning, I can work. And then too, again, while it's turning, I can stop my turner, hold the tip here, my grip here, and then just pull like so. And that's epoxy, dried epoxy on the previous pen I did. Okay. So that was my little quick invention I wanted to show y'all. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment below. Comments, concerns, $1. This came in a pack of tumbler inserts. Came with my cup turner. Doyles are from Walmart. I don't know the inches, y'all. I want to say they're 3/4 of an inch. I think I could be wrong. And then these are some straw toppers that I had from 2020. I had bought, forgot all about them, but they've become good use for me with my pen making. So yeah, until next time, say bon.